Hey guys, welcome to 200 South Young Place over here in Kennewick, Washington, right in the prime of Kennewick, located near the mall, all your amenities, good schools. We have an open house this weekend from Saturday from 11 to 2. This home is loaded, all recently remodeled kitchens, bathrooms, newer paint, newer floor, has a beautiful deck overlooking the city of Kennewick, coming out of the master and the upstairs. It's a 3-bed, 3-bath, right under 1,800 square feet, listed for $419,000. Would love to have you stop by the open house here this Saturday from 11 to 2, and we'll see you there.